Hello and welcome. Today we are exploring one of the most fundamental shapes in geometry, the circle. We will understand exactly what defines a circle, its key components like radius and diameter, and mathematical concepts like pi and area. So, what exactly is a circle? It is not just a round shape drawn on paper. Mathematically, a circle is the set of all points in a plane that are at a fixed distance from a fixed point. That specific fixed point is what we call the center. There are two main components you need to know. First is the center, the exact middle point. Second is the radius. The radius, often represented by the letter r, is the distance from the center to any point on the edge of the circle. No matter which point on the edge you choose, this distance remains exactly the same. Next, let's talk about the diameter. The diameter is a straight line that passes directly through the center and connects 2 points on the circle. Because it goes through the center, it effectively cuts the circle in half. A key formula to remember is that the diameter is exactly 2 times the radius. Now, imagine you are walking along the edge of the circle. The total distance you would travel to get back to your starting point is called the circumference. You can think of this as the perimeter of the circle. There is a magical relationship in every circle. If you take the circumference and divide it by the diameter, you always get the same number. We call this constant pi. It is approximately 3.14159. This is why the formula for circumference is often written as pi times diameter. What about the space inside? That is called the area. To calculate how much space is inside a circle, we use the formula area equals pi times the radius squared. This tells us how many square units fit inside the boundary. Finally, let's look at chords. A chord is simply a line segment connecting any 2 points on a circle. It does not have to go through the center. However, if a chord does pass through the center, it becomes a diameter. In fact, the diameter is the longest possible chord you can draw in a circle. To summarize what we have learned, a circle is a set of points equidistant from a center. The radius is the distance to the edge, and the diameter is twice that length. The circumference is the distance around the outside, related to the diameter by the constant pi. And finally, the area is the total space inside.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.